Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on scanning for viruses on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Windows Security and open it. In Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection from the left sidebar. From there, select Quick Scan. A virus scan will now start on your computer, and you will get a notification once it is finished with the results. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.